I wish I could revive SpongeBob. It's been 1 week, but instead, I'm gonna start with a song. Oh wait, where do I plug in?
Oh, I think it's that.
This guy? Yeah. I'm gonna start with a song that I wrote. It's from a musical that I've been working on. It's called Edge of the World. And I'm gonna give you a tiny bit of context so that it doesn't sound bizarre. This is a song. Is that working? Okay, so the show is about this father who takes his son to live in rural, isolated Alaska, and he raises him there. And this song takes place pretty soon after they've arrived, and the father, Henry, who is a geologist, is doing some studying and reflecting on this major life change that he has brought upon himself and his child. So, yeah, light fare. I sit, wait for the colors inside this little tube to change, hoping that it shows me something I already know. Ooh boy, what could it be? A sample of the sediment that's reticent to change its properties since we last did a check, and my predecessor wrote it down for me. Yes, I would bet everything is as it seems. It's funny how we spend our lives searching and researching for something our parents already knew. Yet when we search for something timeless, something ageless and refined, we find that even from the old truisms we might mine something new. Did I do right when I ran here, when I applied for this grant to leave? With my son I made a choice, it's clear, to protect him from losing me by bringing him to study rocks and things. Something as old as time to take my mind away, keep him from asking why. And it's funny, something as old as loss is young only in comparison to rocks. So we'll learn for a couple of years, maybe hundreds of years, till we know what the sediment knows. And we'll burn more than a few tears, but no more than the fear of living alone in the crowd. I'm not proud, I just hear it all too loud. I was driving, yes, but they cornered me. Now they blame me, but nobody knows what it feels like. What I know is true. It should have been me and not you. He will grow up, our little boy. He will grow up and learn how to live as his own man, the captain of his ship, leading a life of autonomous pride. Live outside and the inside will thrive. So we'll find, oh, and the one thing I'm proud of is this boy I've raised and who I love. If it were grace I were looking for, that's where I'd find it. I'd find it in him more than any god above. So we sentimentals, and we'll burn more than a few tears, but no more than the fear of living alone in the crowd. I'm not a proud man, but I'm a found man. So we'll learn for hundreds and hundreds of years till we know what they know. Yeah, let's stay. I'm not done. My family's just begun.
Awesome. That's the first time I played that with people, so that felt pretty cool. All right. This next one is a little bit different. Pretty nearby, Paul Simon just played a farewell concert, doing his farewell tour. And Paul Simon has just been my favorite singer-songwriter since I was a little kid. So, yeah.
Okay. All right, 3, 4, 1.
Man walks down the street, says, why am I soft in the middle now? Why am I soft in the middle? The rest of my life is so hard. I need a photo opportunity. I want a shot of redemption. Don't want to end up a cartoon in a cartoon graveyard. Bone digger, dogs in the moonlight. Far away, my well-lit goal. Mr. Beer Belly, get these butts away from me, you know. I don't find this stuff amusing anymore. But if you be my bodyguard, I can be a long lost pal. I can call you Betty, Betty when you call me, you can call me out. Man walks down the street, says, why am I short of attention? Got a short little span of attention when, whoa, my nights are so long. Where's my wife and family? What if I die here? Who'll be my role model now that my role model is gone? Duck back down the alley with some roly-poly little bat-faced girl. All along, there were incidents and accidents, there were hints and allegations. If you be my bodyguard, I can be a long lost pal. I can call you Betty, Betty when you call me, you can call me out, call me out. Man walks down the street, it's a street in a strange world. Maybe it's the third world, maybe it's his first time around. Doesn't speak the language, he owns no currency. He is a foreign man, he is surrounded by the sound. Cattle in the marketplace, the scaffoldings in orphanages. He looks around, he sees angels in the architecture, spinning to infinity. He says amen and hallelujah. If you be my bodyguard, I can be a long lost pal. I can call you Betty, Betty when you call me, you can call me out, call me out. If you be my bodyguard. Thank you guys so much. The next person to come up here she is a superstar. She has originated roles on Broadway, namely Wednesday Addams and the Addams Family. Both the original and revival of Spring Awakening, and she was a smash. Yeah, and she'll be doing 2 songs from that. Please give a warm welcome to the one, the only, Krista Rodriguez.